Good morning everyone and welcome to this new trip report on Westjet. Today I am flying from London Gatwick to Calgary on the Boeing 787-9. Really been looking forward to this, so let's go check it out. Westjet depart and use the North Terminal at Gatwick Airport for all of their flight operations. Included in your ticket is access to the Club Rooms Lounge, which gives you the option of some food and drink to On today's flight, I was joined by a couple of other flying YouTubers. I was joined by Noel from InFlight Video, Paul, Wingin It Lucas, and also later joined by QFS Aviation, known as Quintin. Make sure you check out the description below for a link to all of their aviation YouTube channels. After following it on Flight Radar, we watched our Westjet 787 pull up at the gate after its first flight from Calgary to London. Hey everyone, so I'm here at the gate with Paul Wingin It, InFlight Video and QFS Aviation, and looks like there's a bit of a party going on right now. As it was the 787's inaugural flight from London to Calgary, there was quite a party that was put on with champagne for everyone, soft drinks and also a cake to enjoy. And there were also the usual speeches from the airline representatives to wish everyone a great flight and that they were so proud of the service they were now offering with the 787. Being in business class, we were among the first people to board and everyone was handed a Westjet 787 gift bag to mark the inaugural flight.
Thank you. See you later. Thanks.
How are you doing? Pre-chemo, so you're going to go all the way across and then to the left.
Westjet offered just 16 flatbed business class seats in a 1-2-1 configuration. There are also 28 premium economy seats laid out in a 2-3-2 configuration for you to check out.
Excuse me, sorry. Hello everyone and welcome on board this Westjet Boeing 787 to Calgary. So we're on board, sat in my seat, very nice seat indeed, plenty of features which I'll be going through and showing you later. So thanks for tuning in and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so let's take a look around the seat. So we've got our TV screen here, tray table here that slides down, and we've got touch screen here, and some storage space back here with a mirror, reading materials. To your left of the seat we also have a compartment for your headphones and complimentary water to drink. Also this one is fitted with over shoulder seat belts as well, which is pretty nice to see. Down here, I mean, quite a lot of leg room here. Nice reverse herringbone seat and some more storage space down here. Every passenger in the business class cabin was greeted by the flight crew and given a tour of the new business class seats and shown the layout. Not this one, no.
Do you want me to show you around your seats?
Love to.
Okay, perfect. This is the armrest, and it just has to be down for takeoff and landing. Inside you'll find noise cancelling headphones and a water bottle. Table tray is a bit tricky. It's on this side. You can pull it to different settings and of course open it up. Controls for entertainment, your call light, adjusting your window shade is all on here. You probably found this already, yes, perfect. And then just a little compartment for storage. And hopefully, yeah, so it should be working properly, but you just have to press and hold it using one of those arrows to get to your desired setting. You have a shoulder harness we just required one for takeoff and landing. Washroom, the front, you're welcome to use it for premium ones where you entered. I have an apothecary mat kit for you with some products, so please enjoy.
Thank you.
Would you like a champagne, juice, or
Champagne, please.
Yes? Okay, perfect. I'll be back with you. You're doing champagne.
Of course. Which champagne is it?
French something.
Okay.
It's the first I've seen it, so I don't have it all memorized.
Okay.
You've got a wonderful crew in the back. under the instruction of your camp manager, London. And all the Westjetters will do the best we can to make your flight as smooth and as enjoyable as possible. We're looking at very favorable flight conditions and improving weather. If you've been paying attention to the Calgary weather, it was a little inclement for this time of year, with some spring snow showers earlier in the day. However, we're going to be arriving during a clear period. There's no anticipated snow or bad weather of any kind. It should be a little bit sunny and very pleasant spring conditions on our arrival. For that matter, we have very favorable winds at high altitude, and we anticipate landing well ahead of schedule in Calgary. So I invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy our new Boeing 787-900 Dreamliner, the most modern, advanced, safest airplane in the skies today. Thanks again for flying with us on Westjet.
A laissé les voyants des ceintures allumés. Veuillez rester assis avec votre ceinture bouclée. Nous vous recommandons de garder votre ceinture bouclée en tout temps lorsque vous êtes assis.
You already paid.
You're available. Should you make a question? Thank you.
all the way, right?
Yeah, I know. I like it, so.
I just had mine.
Yes, and I've ordered poutine as well because I've got no expectations that they're going to get that anytime soon, so I'm ordering it now. So.
seatbelt sign back on, so if you have to get up and about, now would be a great time to do so. Should be arriving to Calgary nice and early, about 2:40 local time. Fairly light headwinds as we made our way across today. Also, the good news is spring has returned to Calgary. It's sunny and plus 3 degrees. On behalf of all of us here at Westjet, we'd like to thank the flying with us today for the inaugural 787 service from London to Calgary. It's certainly been our pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to see you in the future. Thanks.
Welcome to Calgary, ladies and gentlemen. Local time here is approximately 2:32 p.m. As we taxi to the gate, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on baggage stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Smoking is only permitted in designated locations of the terminal. You may now connect your personal electronic device to a network. Connecting gate information is available on the monitor at your seats, and if you have any questions about connecting flights or baggage, please speak to a Westjet agent inside the terminal who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the crew, thank you for including us in your travel plans. We wish you a warm welcome home, a great stay in the Calgary area, or a safe and pleasant onward journey to your next destination. Thank you for choosing Westjet, helping to make us TripAdvisor's best airline in Canada. We look forward to seeing you again real soon. Have a great day in Calgary.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. No, but this is
Hey everyone, so I've made it to sunny Calgary and it is absolutely freezing. We had a wonderful flight on the Boeing 787 Westjet. Really good airline, really good flight. We all really enjoyed it, apart from the slightly slow meal service. But thanks very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and see you again next time.